2020 has been challenging at best, calamitous at worst. After 11 months, the world is ready to usher in 2021, maybe without even glancing at Christmas, which seems to have the Grinch hovering over somewhere in the background. The music industry, which has taken a battering, has had more than its fair share of losses. From reggae music pioneers who have trumpeted potent messages of love and resistance across the world, to reggae disc jocks and the producers. These voices have been muted but not silenced. So today we pause to remember and celebrate those we have lost. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. With that, let's get into the video. Number 1. Very early in the year, pre-COVID-19, reggae singer Derrick Lara of reggae group The Tamlins passed away in Miami, Florida. The singer and drummer, remembered for his consummate professionalism and also for being the crush of many young girls, had been battling lung cancer for less than a year. He was 61 years old. Number 2. Albert Apple Gabriel Craig, an original member of roots reggae trio Israel Vibration, passed away in March, also in the United States. Number 3. Hubert Lee, 75, a singer who had a stint with the Clarendonians, made his transition on March 31st in the United States. Number 4. Eddie Parkins, one half of the duo Alton Ellis and Eddie, who in 1960 recorded what would become a monster hit, Muriel, passed away in New York in April. Number 5. Johnny Golding, whose Swing magazine covered the Jamaican entertainment scene for over 10 years, died in April of natural causes. Golding resided in Bahir Dar, Ethiopia. Number 6. Veteran reggae vocalist and prolific songwriter Keith Bob Andy Anderson answered the higher calling in March after a battle with cancer. He left an enduring musical legacy, both as a solo artist and as part of the duo Bob and Marcia Griffiths. Numbered among his greatest hits are the classics I've Got to Go Back Home and Fire Burning. Number 7. My Boy Lollipop singer Millie Small made headlines across the world when Island Records founder Chris Blackwell announced her death from stroke in May. Small is credited with introducing the world to ska with her smash hit My Boy Lollipop. Billboard took a journey through their archives to recall Small's success. My Boy Lollipop peaked at number 2 on the Hot 100 chart dated July 4, 1964. Another of her hits, Sweet William, peaked at number 40 on the September 5, 1964 dated chart. Her album, My Boy Lollipop, also peaked at number 132 on the Billboard 200 on August 29, 1964. Number 8. In July, rocksteady reggae legend Dobby Dobson, the loving pauper who gave Jamaica that wonderful sound, died reportedly from complications caused by COVID-19. Pioneering radio broadcaster Gil Bailey, a champion of West Indian radio in New York known as the godfather of reggae radio, also succumbed to the virus. Number 9. Reggae pioneer Delroy Washington, a giant of British reggae, was also cut down by COVID-19. One of the first reggae artists signed to major record companies such as CBS, Island and Virgin, he was remembered for his organization, the Federation of Reggae Music, through which he fought tirelessly to represent a generation of Caribbean musicians who gave their best years to the UK music scene. Number 10. There was an outpouring of love in the New York area in April when the Power of Reggae founder, Father German, passed away from cardiac arrest due to complications from COVID-19. Number 11. Grammy Award-winning producer Bobby Digital, who earned the title of one of the founding fathers of the global dancehall movement, succumbed to kidney-related illnesses in May. His iconic Digital B studio saw many young and established artists pass through its gates, and his production helped turn Shabba Ranks into the Grammy Kid. Clifton specialist Dylan, Shabba's former manager, hailed Bobby Digital as a genius, an innovator, a musical incubator, a legend, and a brother. And Buju Banton thanked him for giving him the chance as a young man. Number 12. In July, Jawara Tosh won Macintosh. The youngest son of reggae legend Peter Tosh made his transition. In 2017, he was left comatose after being beaten in a New Jersey jail by another inmate while serving a sentence for ganja-related charges. Number 13. Dancing legend Laba Laba passed away at the age of 75 at his home in Trenchtown, Kingston, also in July. Number 14. Veteran DJ Purple Man, who founded Fame in the 1980s, died in August at the Kingston Public Hospital. He was 58. One of the famous trio of albino DJs, he was affiliated with John Jala's Volcano Records camp. Number 15. Early in September, master percussionist and songwriter Denver Feluk Simit lost his battle with cancer while in Mexico for another round of treatments. Simit toured with Luciano, Jimmy Cliff, and the Marleys and was a key member of Etana's band. Number 16. In July, veteran singer and songwriter Ernie Simit lost his beloved wife Janet, and reggae artist Shenseea, Capleton, and the Beanie Man have been mourning the loss of their mothers. Number 17. On Friday, September 11th, 33 years after the death of the iconic whaler Peter Tosh, Frederick Nathaniel Toots Ebert made his transition. Toots, a national treasure of international acclaim, was 77 years old. Blessings guys, and thanks for watching once again. I really do hope you found this video interesting or informative. Alright, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, remember you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking the red subscribe button, and you can turn on notifications by clicking the blue bell icon. When you do that, you get all of my videos. Whenever time I upload a video, you get a notification. Alright, that's the little bell icon. Click on that and click all. Until then guys, thank you all for joining me. You all have a blessed day. Also remember guys that you can purchase your Elite Jamaica merch with the links provided down below, as that really helps the channel tremendously. For this video, I will only be posting links for sweaters or pullovers. Alright, so those links will be under the video description. Thank you again guys, and you all stay blessed.